チェックエンジンランプつきました。これ決して峠に向かうところではございません。まもなくディーラーに着くところでございます。
Good afternoon, my name is Chris Coulter, your Porsche technician. Welcome to Porsche of Irvine. So I'm in the process of checking your car out. Your front tires are at 9mm. They look pretty new. So far everything's looking pretty good. You got a little road rash on your rims. And your brake pads are also brand new at 12mm. So walk into the rear of the car. Also, your rear tires also new. They're also at 9mm, and their rear brake pads are at 12mm, which again, pretty new. Looking underneath the back of your car and everything looks good. Your axle boots all look pretty good. Everything in the back's good. Everything all in the back. Again, exhaust. No oil leaks, everything's all dry. Again, here's your right rear rim. And again, everything looks pretty good. There's your front, your right front. And again, everything looks good. It was also for the check engine light, checking your gas cap. Your gas cap actually looks pretty new. So the right front tire, again, 9mm and all looks good. So everything on the car looks good. So thank you for coming to Porsche Irvine. Have a good day.